How to connect Google domain with Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google domain with Wix. So in order to connect your Google domain, just follow these steps. First of all, sign into your Google admin console. And after that, just click on domains. And if it is hidden, just click more controls at the bottom of your domain console and select domains. And after that, click on manage domains and click on setup admin console next to the domain you would like to verify. And if your domain isn't listed, just click on add a domain to a new domain. And after that, just click on next and then continue to choose TXT verification. And after that, just copy that TXT record and add that TXT record to your domain DNS records in the TXT value field. And after that, just click on verify. And if in few cases you will receive a message that your domain couldn't be verified, just wait for 10-15 minutes and after that, just try again. It may take few trials for your domain to be verified. So that is how you will be able to connect your Google domain to your Wix. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.